Most traders lose money during news in seconds. Not because of bad strategy, but because they don't understand volatility. So this part covers introduction to news trading, what creates high volatility, and why volatility happens. So let's get into it. Here we will be the complete Forex news trading and volatility control guide, and particularly how to trade smart around high impact news, what to avoid, when to wait, and how to execute professionally. So this material is completely for educational purposes only. Forex trading involves substantial risk of loss, so you should be careful about that. So get a good view of this document, and let's get into welcoming notes we have here. So this premium academy level book is designed to transform traders into structured, disciplined, risk control professionals. Our philosophy is simple. So protect capital first, trade with structure, and avoid emotional decisions. So here are the table of contents. So you can pause and check it out, which all these contents will be discussed throughout the 5 days. Forex market, as you know, move because of economic data, central bank decisions, political events, and unexpected global shock. So news trading is very, very dangerous because price can move up to 150 plus pips in seconds, not minutes, not hours, in seconds. So if you are not prepared, you'll get stopped out instantly. So what creates high volatility? It happens when economic data change expectations, central bank change interest rates, inflation surprise the markets, employment numbers shock expectations, geopolitical tensions rise. But markets move based on expectation versus reality. So if reality does not equal to expectation, there will be explosive movement, which we said here. This pip movement is if reality does not equate with expectation. So why does volatility happen? Because banks reprice currency values instantly, large institutions execute massive orders, liquidity disappears. Take a note of this. Liquidity disappears. It does not respect liquidity. News does not respect liquidity. And the other reason why high volatility happens is because the spreads really get widened, which will increase the charge amount. So that will significantly lower our balance. So the other thing is stop losses get triggered. So this creates slippage, fake breakouts, stop hunts. There will be money stopped out accounts because of high volatility, and there will be rapid candle spikes like this one. So this is why retail traders lose money during news. So now you understand the danger. So next I will show you the exact news events you must avoid completely. So see you on the next one. Bye bye.